Kyrie eleison, Kyrie
Several years ago, when a farmer in Cumbria decided to dismantle a stone wall that he no longer needed. Within the stone wall he found two unusual objects, and the first being a pair of hands holding a Bible or a book. As the farmer got lower down in the wall, he noticed a stone cross with the figure of a saint, or indeed it could have been a monk. The farmer removed both objects and took them back to the farmhouse, not knowing quite what he'd found. Now, a short time later, the farmer decided that he was going to sell the cross, and he sold it to a local collector. However, the local collector, after several months, decided it was something that he didn't want in his collection any longer. I decided to try and obtain it for myself, which I did, and now I'm going to clean and preserve this artefact, now and for posterity. Well, now we have the cross, and it's time to restore and preserve it, removing the dirt and moss, and hopefully revealing more information of this archaic religious object. Now, the first thing we need to do is, with a soft brush, is to remove the dirt and the dust and check out the stability of the surface of the stone before we proceed any further. Now, it's absolutely essential at this stage that we don't try and pull the moss off, as it could damage the surface. So really we just need to keep applying the warm water until it loosens the roots that are embedded into the surface of the stone. The use of a small toothbrush to release the roots and move some of the dirt is ideal for lifting it all away from the surface of the stone. This can easily be followed by using a soft paintbrush. A pair of tweezers is ideal for lifting some of the roots away from the carving on the face. Well, the water's certainly doing the trick, and the moss is lifting off very easily, and it gives off a heady smell. One that I can only describe as cut grass and emulsion paint. Very strange. Here we are, some 3 hours later, after cleaning and preserving this beautiful medieval carved stone cross. Almost certainly early Christian. I'm sure that this has a great tale to tell of history. As to whether this was pure decoration or more likely a grave marker for a monk or religious person, we may never know, but what we do know is the finest craftsmanship I've seen in many years. My name's James Balme and you've been watching TV Presenter for History.